Hi and welcome. In this video, you're going to find out the ugly truth about Sirtfood diet. Before we get started, if you'd like to know how I personally lost over 20 pounds over the last few months, click the link in the description below. Now, what does Sirtfood mean? Sirtfoods are mostly plant-based and high in antioxidants that help trick your body into burning fat at a higher rate. It's called Sirt because it includes eating foods that are high in sirtuin activators, defined as 7 proteins found in the body that regulate metabolism, inflammation, and the longevity of cells. Can you eat meat on the Sirtfood diet? Yes, in the Sirtfood diet book * there is a helpful chart telling you what you can eat each day and when. The book has all the recipes you will need for the first 3 weeks. There is a meat-fish option and a vegetarian-vegan option for every day. Is the Sirtfood diet safe? The Sirtfood diet's overall eating plan is healthy, but some experts recommend skipping the first phase of extreme caloric restriction entirely. Experts warn that people with diabetes or other chronic conditions could face serious health risks on the Sirtfood diet and should avoid trying it. How do I start the Sirtfood diet? The diet has 2 phases. Phase 1 lasts for 7 days. For the first 3 days, you drink 3 Sirtfood green juices and 1 meal rich in Sirtfoods for a total of 1,000 calories. On days 4 through 7, you drink 2 green juices and 2 meals for a total of 1,500 calories. How much weight can you lose on Sirtfood diet? According to science, these antioxidant agents act as protectants that help slow down aging, boost metabolism and regulate the body's inflammation, hereby helping in fat loss. Studies have also found that the Sirtfood diet can help people lose up to 7 pounds 3 kilos in under a week's time. What foods are on the Sirtfood diet? What is the Sirtfood diet? Kale, red wine, strawberries, onions, soy, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, dark chocolate 85% cocoa. Is broccoli a Sirtfood? Sirtfoods contain a particularly high proportion of particular substances that stimulate the sirtuins already present in your body. Some of the better-known Sirtfoods include broccoli, curcuma, and green tea. What is Lovage in Sirtfood diet? The little-known herb Lovage is one of the top 20 health foods according to the authors of the Sirtfood diet, a convincing new book about optimum nutrition for health and weight loss. Lovage is rich in quercetin, a potent antioxidant with an array of health benefits. Who wrote the Sirtfood diet? Aidan Goggins. Trendy new diets seem to pop up regularly, and the Sirtfood diet is one of the latest. It has become a favorite of celebrities in Europe and is famous for allowing red wine and chocolate. Its creators insist that it's not a fad, but rather they claim that Sirtfoods are the secret to unlocking fat loss and preventing disease. However, health experts warn that this diet may not live up to the hype and could even be a bad idea. This article provides an evidence-based review of the Sirtfood diet and its potential health benefits. The Sirtfood diet is based on research on sirtuins, a group of proteins that regulate several functions in the body. Certain foods called Sirtfoods may cause the body to produce more of these proteins. This diet may help you lose weight because it's low in calories, but the weight is likely to return once the diet ends. The diet is too short to have a long-term impact on your health. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, comment. Thank you for watching it. Subscribe to our channel and click the link in the description below to learn about an amazing diet program.